In this lesson we're going to learn how to explode objects. Now the word explode may sound a little bit more exciting than what we'll be doing in this lesson, but let's take a look at that and see what that is. Before that, we've got a few objects on my screen here. These are the polylines or multi-segmented lines, square, polygon, and hatch here. Let's select one of these and go to my property changer and see this is a polyline, and the AutoCAD considers this as one object. Now we use the explode command when we want to send an object back to its original component view. Now we're going to launch the explode command and explode this square and see what happens. To right click there, see it is back to its component view, which is the individual segments. Let's launch that one more time and look at that one more time, and we'll explode that hatch. Now you don't want to explode your hatch because an exploded hatch is going to be very tedious, and the best way to have it is as an one object. Now let's use this explode thing on a practical example. I've got a standard receptacle cover here, and we want to see if we could recreate this. I'm going to launch the rectangle command. I'm going to specify a corner point here. I'm going to right click and dimensions. The first dimension is going to be 2.7 and the next one is going to be 4.5. 2.7, enter. 4.5, enter. Now we're going to specify the next corner point right there, and after that, as we see the circle, the center of the circle is 2.25 units away from any side of this rectangle, and to achieve that we're going to offset these lines, but unfortunately this rectangle is one object and we can't offset this until we explode that. I'm going to launch the explode and explode this, right click, and now we can offset that. I'm going to launch the offset and enter a distance of 2.25, enter, offset this here and escape. Now I want to launch the circle, and from the midpoint of that, going to have a circle with the radius of 0.13 unit. Now the center of these two larger circles are 0.73 units away from the center of these small circles we've created right now. Now for that, I'm going to launch offset command and enter 0.73, enter, and offset this here, offset that one more time, and we're going to press escape and launch this launch circle command and make a circle with a radius of 0.68, enter, spacebar to relaunch that, 0.68, enter. Now we want to first make another copy of offsets here from this line to here. I'm going to launch offset, give it a 1 unit, enter, offset this here, offset this one here, and press escape and relaunch the offset and give it a 1.05, enter, and offset this here and offset this here, press escape. Now we're going to first delete this line, this line, and this line, and after that we're going to launch the trim command and we're going to clean it up using trim. I'm going to select all of these edges as cutting edges. I'm going to delete these edges, these edges, these edges, and let's zoom a little bit. Right click and select erase, and these, and press enter and press escape to accept those. Use the explode command if you want to convert your objects back into its original component view.